Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate temporary chat on ChatGPT. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you have to open up the ChatGPT. You can open the ChatGPT website or ChatGPT app on your computer or on your mobile phone. And here, as you can see, I have opened the ChatGPT on my computer. And if we want to activate the temporary chat, we can click on this option, and we can simply click on this toggle button to activate the temporary chat like this. And now the temporary chat has been activated, and when you activate this temporary chat, the chat history with ChatGPT won't be saved, so the chat history will be automatically removed after you close the ChatGPT. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable temporary chat on ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.